Um, next. Okay, now let's see. Alright, this right here is what you're gonna need. Put it between. Okay, you're gonna need to go into the code to do this, so bear with me. Okay, you will see near the top that there is a section that says head right here. And then you can see down as you go down farther, it says head again with a little dash right there. That's the end of the head. Alright, this is the heading or whatever. Not the heading of your page, but like the heading of the code. This has stuff like meta names and stuff that doesn't actually appear on your site. It has stuff like what type of HTML language you're using and stuff like that all put in there. Okay, now the way you get a favicon is this code right here. I'll put this in the description just like this, but what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to edit this part right here. Like yours is going to be Smoke and Barrel, it's going to be whatever it's called, .att.org/favicon.ico. Now remember, when you upload it here, it has to be called favicon and it has to be an ICO file. Otherwise it won't work. So you put this right here and that it has to be like that. Then what you should do is when you open up any page that's uploaded onto your site, you should get this little thing. Now on like favicons.cc, there are animated ones like this one, and there are also regular ones like all these. Most people prefer standard ones, but I like this one because it kind of moves. It was kind of cool. Okay, let's see, what else can I talk about? Oh, okay. Okay, this is kind of important. Now the way that I said that you get these backgrounds is something called a CSS file. That stands for Cascading Style Script, and that's what you got off of the free csstemplates.org. Okay, this right here is what gives it that background, and I think with ATT, one of the things that works is just to upload it to your site. See default.css, and it should already be in the code. The default will come with that. You also need to upload all these images to your site, these GIFs. Those are important. There might be some JPEGs in yours too, depending on what style you pick. Yeah, so that should work. Although for a while I did have a problem where the CSS wasn't working. There's a little bit of stuff that sometimes you have to work out, and if you really have any problems with that, you can always send me a message. But hopefully you won't. But if your style's not showing up or something, you can just let me know. Okay, the final thing that I like to use that I think is really cool, Google Analytics. Okay, this will tell you everybody that goes onto your site. What it tells you a bunch of statistics about them. It tells you it's just a bunch of statistics about your site. How many people have accessed it, when people accessed it, what browser they were using, what kind of internet connection they had. Some stuff that you're not even going to want to know, but it'll tell you anyway. See, this is the dashboard right here. It tells you what dates. It's got a nice user interface and stuff in here. It's real great. It tells you which pages they accessed, all that. Okay, now what you want to do is to add your site to this is when you make a Google Analytics account, you need a Google account, and what you do is you just go to Google Analytics. I'll put that in the description to the site for it, and it'll come up and it'll have you add your site to the list. I think that's what it's loading right now. And see, yeah, okay, this is my site right here, and you just click on somewhere where it says add website profile. There, and you put in the URL, all that. And what you do when you finish, it'll put it on this list right here. One of the most important things, though, that you actually might want to do this before you upload all your stuff. Once you make your this right here, once you enter that and you click finish, it will give you some HTML tracking codes that you need to put on your page. Alright, it puts them right in here so you can copy and paste them. You need to put these at the bottom of the code. You can see them right in here, right before the HTML at the end and after the last thing that's on your page. These are just scripts. They're real simple. They don't mess up the view on your page or anything, but this is what sends the information back to Google Analytics. You need to put both of these codes at the bottom of every single page on your website that you want tracked. And once you set it up on here, it'll check out everything that's everything under the URL that you put in and all the subdomains under that. So it'll check out everything on your website and tell you what's going on, so you can track everything, see how many hits you have very easily. One of the most widely used website trackers on the internet. Very popular. Okay. I think that is pretty much it. If I miss something, I'll come back with a response tutorial to this and add a little bit else, and I might do another installment here and there of just some interesting stuff, because, you know, I'm fairly new to this too. It's just one of those interesting things that I did, and I was able to make a whole website by myself for 100% free. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If there's anything I missed, once again, I'll make a response and add it on there. If you think I've missed something, send me a message. Let me know, because I will make a response to it. Okay, thanks for watching. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. That'd be really cool. Please rate this video and comment on it. Watch any of my other videos. Add me as a friend. Also, one of the things I would really like you to do the most is go to my website and join the forum. Start posting there. I'm really trying to build a community, so that would be seriously cool if you guys could do that. I really appreciate it. I'll put the link to my site in the description too. Yep, so thanks a lot, everybody. I hope you really enjoyed it. I know I did, so yep. See you guys later.